Hi, so today I'm gonna show you how to scrape LinkedIn profiles. We're gonna be using Mastros Chrome extension. You will find the URL in the description. And so first we create our custom search on LinkedIn. This works as well on Sales Navigator. So we will put how many profiles we want. I'll put 39, whatever. So what it does is just start scraping them, and if it's a big search, it always checks for whether it's a new record or not. So you'll be able to just restart where you left and keep enriching the lists. So LinkedIn, there is a limit of 2,500 results a day. So to be safe, try to stay within those limits using the extension. You will have the counter as well here, and it will give you, let's say, warnings if you're approaching your limits. So what you will have from the dataset is, other than the search URLs, you will have the profile URLs, the full names, the last name, so you can use it for personalizing the headline and job title, their location, their current company. So yeah, this extension works as well for company searches, job searches, post search with the same logic as you see here. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and happy to help.